Hi friends, welcome to Learning Point. I am Dipankar and you are watching MS Word class tutorial. Today we will learn about Clipboard in MS Word and how it works. So without any further delay, let's get started. Friends, in this video you will see how the clipboard works in MS Word. When we copy something in MS Word, it will paste automatically in clipboard, and when we paste, that copied content comes from that clipboard. I mean, I copied multiple text, but when I paste, it will be paste the last copied text. Let me clear that concept by example. So first of all, for example, I have typed some text in document here. I am copying one by one. Select text and copy. Copy. Third one, copy. If I paste here, the last text that I copied will be pasted. For reference, here is this line. It will be pasted. Let's see. See here, the last one. But the advantage of clipboard is you can paste from any text whenever you copy it. To do this, just go to Home tab, click on Clipboard, and then copy text one by one. Copy, copy, and third one is copy. You can see here the all copied text. If I want to paste, just click on the clipboard history text. You can see here I can paste from any text I have already copied. See here. In this segment, you will learn how to get automatic text in MS Word. For practice, you should not type every time text or copy from another source. In MS Word, you can get as much as text you want. So I will show you how to get the text in MS Word automatically. To do so, just type equal to rand, rand, bracket open and bracket close, and hit enter on keyboard and see the magic. We have got text automatically. But if you want a specific paragraph with a specific line, just do some modifications in that formula. I mean in rand formula. So I am going to delete this text again. So I am going to do that. I am typing equal to rand bracket open, then type number. This number denotes the paragraph number. How many paragraph you want, type here. Then type comma and then a number. This number denotes the lines of each paragraph. Then bracket close and hit enter on the keyboard and see the magic. You have got 4 paragraphs with 2 lines. You see here this paragraph has 3 lines. It may happen if the sentence does not fit in the limited line you mentioned. For more, you have to practice yourself. But one thing you have to remember, that there is no space between equal to rand and bracket. I mean in that formula. And it doesn't matter if you type in capital letter or small letter. Okay, this was today's class. I will bring next class. Till then, wait for that. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.